Are you thinking about starting your own business, but not sure how to begin crafting your business plan? Well, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to guide you through creating a simple yet effective business plan using ChatGPT. Let's get your startup started. Let's start with the executive summary. This is an overview of your business and your plans. It's the hook that grabs the reader's attention. Ask ChatGPT to draft an executive summary for a business in your industry. For example, here's my prompt. Create an executive summary for a tech startup focused on eco-friendly packaging. Then enter. And there you go. That's a solid base for an executive summary. Remember, it should be succinct but powerful, enticing readers to learn more about your business. With this summary, you've set the stage for the detailed plan that follows. Next, describe your company. This section should include your startup's mission, the products or services you offer, and what makes your business unique. Ask ChatGPT right here, write a company description for a business that sells handmade, eco-friendly crafts. There we go. Then hit send and see the magic happen from ChatGPT. There. Just remember, make sure your company description resonates with your brand's identity and values. This section is an opportunity to really sell why your business is special and worthy of attention. It's your narrative. Make it compelling. Understanding your market is crucial. You'll want to outline your target demographic, market size, expected growth, and competitors. Now it's time to request ChatGPT to help by saying, here's my prompt right here, provide a market analysis for a business that sells handmade, eco-friendly crafts. For instance, down sent. With a thorough market analysis, you not only prove that your business idea is grounded in a realistic understanding of the market, but also demonstrate strategic thinking that can attract investors or partners. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. And as you can see right here, it's still in the process, so just let ChatGPT do all the work right here. Then, here we go. Now, who's running the place? Describe your business's organizational structure, details about the ownership, and qualifications of your management team. Type your prompt here, detail an organizational structure for a business that sells handmade, eco-friendly crafts. Here we go. So this is my prompt right here, then hit send. And here's what ChatGPT generates right now. This gives you a clear view of how responsibilities are distributed within the team. For your business, adapt this structure based on your specific needs and scale. So let's see, ChatGPT is still generating the organizational structure that are requested with right here, human resources. There we go. And yeah, I think that's where it stops. Yep, there we go. Now, what are you selling or offering? Describe your product line or services in details. Now let's ask ChatGPT, describe a product line for a business that sells handmade, eco-friendly crafts. Let's see how ChatGPT does all the magic. There, as you can see, detailing your products this way not only informs, but also entices your audience by highlighting unique features and customization options. A comprehensive product line description is vital. It helps customers understand your offerings and why they should choose you over the competition. And there we go. Yeah, that's it. Here are the results right here. And there. Now, how will you attract and retain customers? Now, let's describe your marketing and sales strategy. You could type right here, outline a marketing strategy for a business that sells handmade, eco-friendly crafts. There we go. And perfect. By targeting your marketing efforts and leveraging partnerships, you can effectively reach your ideal customers. And here are the following marketing strategies that ChatGPT has recommended for you and for your business plan right here. And it might take some time to process all the results. Oh, don't let it rush. And here we go. It keeps going. Yeah, here we go. If you need funding, specify the amount you need over the next few years and how you intend to use it. Ask ChatGPT what should be included in a funding request for a business that sells handmade, eco-friendly crafts which needs $100,000 to expand production. Then hit send for ChatGPT to do all the magic. And here we go. A clear breakdown can really make your funding request stand out to potential investors. Remember, the clearer the ask, the easier for investors to understand how their funds will be used to grow your business. And here are the results. And it's still going in. It's going to stop right here. Yeah, here we go. Now, finally, provide detailed financial projections to reassure investors. Finally, provide detailed financial projections to reassure investors. You can say, help me create financial projections for a business that sells handmade, eco-friendly crafts for first 3 years. And hit send. And here we go. That's how you lay out financial projections to build investor confidence. Clear, realistic figures help them see the growth potential in your venture. And there you have it. You've just crafted a simple business plan with the help of ChatGPT. See you next time, everybody.